Kawasaki recently announced the new 2020 Z650 in their upcoming lineup. Let's see what's new and what stays the same. This is Kawasaki's media release. Let's have a look and we'll talk about the changes. As you can see, we're going to get a brand new display. It's TFT. It links directly into your smartphone while you're out riding. You get notifications, text, incoming calls, everything of that nature. Plus, it will also log all of your ride data into the Ride Along app, and you can review that once you get back. Pretty neat. They've also changed the front end of the bike as far as the headlamps. We're going to get twin LEDs like the larger Z1000. That is a cool change. I love the new style and the way that looks. Check this out. That's hot. So I appreciate the extra change in styling on that end. That was something I suggested a long time ago when the Z650 first came out. You also get a little more padding on the rear seat. That's another change they've added. Not a big deal for me considering I'm a solo rider, but I'm sure a lot of people are going to appreciate the extra comfort. So as you can see, they've also added the Dunlop Sport Max 2 Road Sports. This is an upgrade over the older Sport Max tire. It gives you a little bit better wet and dry traction and a faster warm-up time. That's going to be much appreciated on the bike because I didn't personally care for the original Sport Max. I have yet to try these, so hopefully it helps. Other than those couple changes, everything else remains pretty much the same on the bike. The frame, peg placement. It looks like we'll be able to use a lot of the existing accessories that are on the market for this bike on this year model, so that's going to be really nice to pick this up and have parts ready to bolt on so you can personalize it the way you want, exhaust, etc. Overall, I'm really digging the new lines of the bike, the front end especially. I like those dual headlamps. Hey Kawasaki, how about sending me a mod kit so I can put that on my bike in the white? Hopefully I'll be able to get one of these in the near future to do a side-by-side comparison and we can really check this thing out. But until next time guys, ride safe. We'll see you later.